Good job.
All right, Dane.
Yeah, Lily's. Okay, and did you check on the table over there, maybe?
Oh. I found one!
Yay!
All right.
Okay, where haven't we looked? Keep looking around. Maybe you guys see another one. Oh, thank you, Lilies. Hey, Lilies. You see that egg over there? You see that
I'll
egg?
help her get that down.
What? No, I get it!
All right, you get it. Be careful.
I'll be careful. Got it. I got it!
Yay!
All right, Dane.
Hey.
Okay, so let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mama, why are we taking out
6,
another?
7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 2 more eggs.
2 more eggs. Alright.
Did you check on the count?
No. Let me check on the kitchen counter. Lily, don't pick up my basket. I should.
What about the couch, Dane? Did you find the couch?
Did you see the couch?
Don't get off the couch for a minute.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know, just look under pillows and stuff.
Yeah, you might find one.
Hey, Mama.
What's this? Yeah, check the couch, mister.
I like it.
Yeah, this is a bunny, Lils. Isn't that a bunny? Oh, he's so sweet. Yeah. You love that, huh?
I see another one. I see this.
Okay. Looks like you might want to pull it. See if there's any under the...
I found another one behind Lily. Make girl.
Alright, you might want to pull the pillows off.
Yeah, pull the pillows off.
Alright. I found one!
Wow, all right. So you want to put those in there very nicely, mister.
Alright. I don't know, you might want to look on... There's still more pillows on the couch, Dane.
I think I know where another one is. I think I know where another one is on the couch.
Okay.
I found it! I found another one!
Okay.